This is a Speedway Motors Ford 9-inch conversion kit, and I do have a major problem. This is the bracket that bolts on in front of the axle flange. So it goes on after you slide the axle in, but it is actually cut completely wrong. So this upper hole, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that is 100% lined up. You can see it's already misaligned here. And as you go farther down here, the misalignment is even worse on both bolt holes. So much so that I cannot get these in. There is another major flaw that this has. The scale is off. It's not so bad here, but it's much worse on these two holes. So I'm going to take this bracket off and show you. These are the spacers that are supposed to go between here and here. So they help space the caliper bracket away from the flange bracket. These holes are so far off, I cannot get a bolt on. So if I line the top bolt up, that is how far off just these two bolts are relative to each other. Way wrong. The other thing, which I was able to just kind of cut myself, I was able to do some backyard machining and actually get it to where I could get it to fit. But with that hole completely lined up, as you can see, this one is off. It's about 1.5 millimeters. So I had to grind and relieve both of these so that I could get enough space to get the bolts in this two right here. So we need to address this, and hopefully it's just a bad batch, but it looks like just this is bad. This went directly onto the flange, no issues, no machining, fit right on. So I'm gonna take this as correct, and I did measure these holes. These two are the same as these two holes. So I have a feeling this is correct. But this piece is bad, and it's not just this one piece. Both of my pieces is bad, and the kit comes with multiple other versions. All of these are also wrong. So all these kits, all the ones for the flange, the bracket that goes on the axle flange, are machined wrong.